So this series actually begins with one of the most desired things that anyone wants in their lives, and that's fame. And Harry was born with the fame. But surprisingly, that's not the most desired thing he wanted, because all he wanted was a cozy home filled with people who love him, the emotional warmth. And I'm not famous, so I clearly can't say if that's how famous people feel, but I think that's how they feel, and that's the reason they value their privacy more when they are famous. Like when Dumbledore leaves Harry to Dursley's when he was just a newborn, he was just a kid, a small baby, and Professor McGonagall asked that why he's leaving Harry to the Dursleys. He said that because Harry needs a normal life while he grows up, and it's probably because normalcy made him tougher and ready to face the challenges his life brought when he actually stepped in his real world. And when he did step there in his real world, he felt comfortable. Harry felt uncomfortable being famous. He didn't like that. Like being treated like a celebrity, he actually felt odd one out. Like when Colin he kept on tagging behind Harry for clicking pictures and everything, Harry felt uncomfortable. Or when Harry reached Ron's home, he or the contrast here, I would say, contrast here is that when Harry actually reached Ron's home and he felt so pampered and cozy, even is in that home where there were so many people and hardly any space or something, he actually felt that that's the best house, and that was kind of normal. So he valued that normal and emotional warmth there. But this is not to say that whether fame or normalcy is better. I'm not comparing these two. People actually want different things in life, and that's why there is no point in comparing the journeys. Like we had that scene with Mirror of Erised there, when Harry kept returning to it, and one time he returned with Ron to that mirror, and both of them looked took take turns to look into that mirror, and that mirror actually showed the deepest desire of anyone who looked into it. And Harry saw his dead family in it, while Ron saw himself well accomplished of all his brothers. So it's basically up to each person on what they desire the most. But actually, the truth is that the most desirable thing is the one they lack the most. And getting that most desirable thing is not always guarantee of happiness in life.